Guys, a new video for new coin. This for Memecoin in airdrop. It will end in 53 days later. How it works? Simple. You must have a MetaMask wallet, like shown below. This my MetaMask wallet. For the first, you must choose BNB Chain, like that. After that, you will find a contract addressed 100% trusted airdrop. You go to this plus, you choose custom token, you put the contract address here, you click next, then it will show your mem token. I already have mem token. There is no chart yet. I have 100,000 mem coin for free. How to get? Simple. The link will be in description. You copy the link and you go to search bar here and you put the link here. Then you click enter. Then you hit enter, like shown below. It will appear like that, like shown below. You click in connect wallet. There is a trust wallet or a MetaMask. I suggest MetaMask. Link will be in description. Like shown below, you must connect to BNB Smart Chain, like that. Here you click in claim your airdrop after connecting and connecting your email also. You click in connect email. And that's all. Memecoin will be released to your wallet, like shown below. This is 100,000 coin for free. I received today in some simple act. You join with a link from the description. If you don't have MetaMask, there is also a link of MetaMask, and there is link of my channel Telegram. You can join my channel Telegram. There is all bots and all mining site will be published in my channel Telegram. I can't publish all things on my YouTube channel. This is a short video about how to earn free coin crypto. It's in airdrop. A link will be in description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.